Hi, my name is Michael from Nan Hua Chong, the oldest fishy steamboat in Singapore. So prior to coming to PIF, I felt very helpless because as a restaurateur, there's a lot of things to handle day in, day out. So coming to PIF, I understand that actually I'm not a restaurateur. I can corporatize my business, and my business can even grow to IPO. This actually blew my mind. I never thought of that before. And coming here, I learned a lot. I learned that how can I structure my company to IPO, as well as a new strategy, and also definitely a capital mechanism. Today, I learned how to pitch, how to raise fund, and I'm on my way to raise my first fund. And in future, I learned a lot from PIF. We also have a strategy to bring my business out of Singapore and have a very exponential growth in the next 3 years. SME bosses out there, I know you are tired. I know sometimes you feel very helpless. And I know all of us want to grow. But it's very difficult for us to grow alone. And sometimes you can't even find the right mentor to mentor you to the place you want. That's why I find that PIF is a bit different, because PIF has this pay it forward spirit. So when you come, they didn't keep anything themselves, so they will help you to grow, as well as the network here. Everybody is in the same boat, and we are always moving forward together and help each other. I believe this is a very good platform for SME, people like you and me. Yes, at the end of the day, if you feel helpless, you need help, you want to grow, need inspiration, need networking, come PIF.